In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Notion. Whether you're polishing a document, organizing notes, or making a shared page easier to read, formatting is what turns plain text into something clear and engaging. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Click Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, proceed to the workspace you want to work on. This ensures you're editing the right set of pages, especially if you're part of multiple teams or projects. Next, look for the page where you want to format text. Open that page, then type your text or content. You can write a paragraph, a list of ideas, or paste content you've already prepared. Having some text on the page gives you something to work with as you explore the formatting options. To format, start by highlighting the text. Do this by holding down your left mouse button and dragging across the words you want to change. As soon as the text is selected, a ribbon appears right above your selection. This floating toolbar is your main control center for styling. On this ribbon, you'll see a variety of tools. One of them is Ask AI. This can help you refine your writing, things like rephrasing a sentence, summarizing a section, or adjusting tone. It's handy when you want clearer wording or a quick polish without leaving the page. You can also add a comment. Use comments to leave notes for yourself or collaborators, ask questions, or suggest edits without changing the original text. Comments keep feedback organized and tied directly to the exact words you're discussing. Beyond that, you can turn the text into different block styles. Convert it into a heading to create structure with larger, bolder text that makes sections easy to scan. Use a quote to highlight a key line or reference. Choose code for snippets that need monospaced formatting, great for technical content. Or pick a callout to draw attention to an important tip or warning, complete with an icon that stands out on the page. You can also format the text itself. Make it bold to emphasize important words, italic for subtle emphasis or titles, underline for clarity, and strike through to mark revisions or items you've changed your mind about. These classic styles help you control how information is read and understood. That's all you need to format text in Notion. Simple tools that make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.